Anytime you are about to jump on a sales call, you know that doing a bit of research on your prospect beforehand makes a real difference. The problem is that takes time. So we are going to build a Claude routine that will handle this for you and provide you with a clear breakdown like this before every single call. Let's get started. The first thing we will need is Claude desktop application. If you don't have it installed, go over this URL called claude.com desktop quick start and simply download the right version for you. Once you have it installed, click on customize on the left side on the sidebar, then connectors. Connectors is just another term for the third-party tools that you can integrate with your Claude instance. For this system, we will need Slack or whatever channel you prefer to receive notification inside it, your CRM or whatever platform we are currently using to store all your data and all your upcoming calls, and the third tool will be Prospeo, which is an enrichment tool that we are going to use in order to find information that we can't find publicly. Once you are inside this dashboard, click on the plus next to connectors, browse connectors. When we browse connectors, we are basically looking for third-party tools that have native integration with Claude. Slack, for example, has a native integration with Claude, so search for Slack, click on it, then click connect. Then simply click allow, and as you can see, it has been listed inside this connectors list. Next, click on the plus, browse connectors again, and search for your current CRM. In my case, I'm currently using Airtable, but it is already connected, so I'm not gonna connect it again. The third tool we are going to connect is Prospeo. However, Prospeo does not have a native integration with Claude, so you want to click on the plus, but this time click on add custom connector. Then head over prospeo.io and create an account. Once you create an account, you will land on this dashboard. Simply click on integration, then scroll down until you find this MCP and click connect. Then click on manage connected client and create auth clients. Let's name it Claude create auth client. You want to copy your client's ID, go back to your Claude instance. Let's name this one Prospeo. Click advanced settings, paste your client ID here, go back to Prospeo again, copy your client secret, go back again to Claude, paste your client secret here, then again go back to Prospeo, click on use with Claude, copy the following URL mcp-prospeo.io, go back to Claude again, paste it on MCP server URL, click add, then click on connect, authorize the connection, and as you can see, Prospeo has been successfully connected with our Claude instance. Now that you have all the tools we need, go back to the main interface of Claude and click on code, then click on routines, then on the top right click on new routine, then remote. Once you give your routine a name, next we have instructions. Instructions are the most important aspect inside this system. Basically, this is where you tell this routine what it should do and what the output should look like. For this example, I'm going to use the following prompt. Real quick, if you want to automate part of your business but don't know where to start, that's exactly what we do. We'll audit your operations, identify bottlenecks, and implement automations for you that will help you scale your business without increasing your headcount. You can schedule a call with me using the first link on the description below. Back to the video. Inside this prompt, I'm telling this routine that it has access to three tools, which are Airtable, which is going to be our CRM, Prospeo, which is the enrichment tool that it should use in order to extract the information we are looking for, as well as Slack, which is going to be the channel that I want to receive notification inside it. As for the trigger, I'm going to choose the schedule trigger, and basically I want this system to run every single day at the end of the day. This way it will give me everything I need for all the calls that I will have the day after. So for this example, I'm going to choose 6 p.m. and since I have calls during weekdays only, then I will choose weekdays. Of course, if you have calls even during weekends, then you choose daily. Then under connectors, click on add connector and add all the connectors you will need for this system. And since this example requires 3 connectors, which are our CRM, Prospeo, and Slack, then we are going to add them all together. Once you have everything set up, this includes the instruction, the schedule trigger, and the connectors, simply click create. Right now our system is active, so let's give it a run and see how the output will look like. As you can see, our routine has finished running, and this is all the information we have instructed to generate. Things like what the company does, who they serve, and the key context, for example, the number of employees, whether they are hiring, stuff like that. And this way this video comes to its end. I hope you guys have found value. If you did, please feel free to drop a thumbs up, and if you have any questions about Claude routines or about any type of automations for businesses, feel free to drop a comment below and I will try to respond to you as soon as I can. See you on the next video.